Hey guys, welcome to our channel that is Regrob.com, and today in this video we are moving towards Stellar Jeevan project, which is located in Noida Extension. This project is built across 18 acres of land and offers 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartment. It consists of 18 number of towers with 15 floors each and total comprises of 1973 number of units having 80% open space. And now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So we have entered into the flat. As here you can see, it's a 2 BHK flat having a storeroom plus study room. So here you can see the living room. This we have the study room. Now we are moving towards the kitchen. And here comes the kitchen area. It's a modular kitchen. Now moving towards the next, we have entered into the bedroom area, and here you can see the spacious bedroom of this 2 BHK sample flat. It's having an attached washroom and also have an attached balcony. Now we have entered into the another bedroom of this flat. Over here you can see the wardrobe section and the balcony area. This we have the common washroom of this flat. Thank you friends for watching this video. For site visit and queries, you can contact us at the number given in the description. Thank you.